Are you running a business but struggling to manage your money? Are you running a business but struggling to manage your money? Today, I'll share 5 simple business finance tips that can save you stress and help your business grow. Tip 1. Keep business and personal finances separate first. Always separate your business and personal finances. Open a dedicated business account. It helps you track income, expenses, and taxes without mixing things up. Tip 2. Track every expense. Second, track every expense, even the small ones. Coffee meetings, software subscriptions, and supplies add up. Use apps like QuickBooks, Wave, or Excel to keep everything in check. Tip 3. Build an emergency fund. Third, build a business emergency fund. Aim for at least 3 months of expenses. This safety net helps you survive slow months or unexpected costs. Tip 4. Control debt smartly. Fourth, manage debt wisely. Not all debt is bad, but high-interest loans can drain your cash flow. Use financing only for investments that bring growth, not unnecessary spending. Tip 5. Reinvest profits. Finally, reinvest your profits. Instead of spending all your earnings, put money back into marketing, staff training, or better equipment. That's how businesses scale. Remember, smart money management is the backbone of any successful business. Which of these tips will you apply first? Drop it in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more finance tips.